Vegetarians and meat lovers alike are going to love this roasted cauliflower steak dish with a delicious Romesco sauce. So start with 1 head of large cauliflower, and what you want to do is just trim off a bit of the stem end here. You can lose some of these leaves to make it flat. And we're shooting for 4 planks. We're gonna slice down vertically. So I like to go in the center first, so I just know that that's my equator. And then slice 2 more pieces off of that. Then transfer them to a baking sheet. If those end pieces sort of fall apart a bit, don't fret. You can put them back together again. So now brush each side with olive oil. I'm starting with about 2 tablespoons here. You want to make sure that you get it nice and coated. This is a great way to use a vegetable that you would normally maybe use as just a side as the main course. And it's really hefty and delicious and satisfying. So season with salt, pepper, and we're gonna flip these guys over, do the same thing. Make sure we've got both sides going. So cauliflower is part of the cruciferous family, which you may already know. They have such hits as kale and broccoli, full of lots of nutrients, minerals, vitamins. Also a really great anti-inflammatory food. So if you're looking to incorporate more of that in your diet, look no further than cauliflower. Salt, pepper. So we're gonna roast these in a 425-degree oven. Start checking it around 25 minutes, 30 minutes, and you wanna make sure that you flip it halfway through so that both sides get nice and caramelized. So while the cauliflower is roasting, let's work on the Romesco sauce. I have 2 roasted red peppers. I've already roasted them on the stovetop, peeled off the black skins, seeded them. To that, 1 clove of garlic just simply smashed on the board. Then I have half a cup of toasted blanched almonds. This is the key to this sauce. Then I have a teaspoon of sherry vinegar, also very essential flavor-wise. Then I have a tablespoon of tomato paste. Get it all out. And 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, often labeled pimenton. All right, so we're gonna pulse this. So while this is running, add half a cup of olive oil. Season it with a little salt. Ooh, that looks nice. All right. So let's just transfer this to a bowl. So this will keep in your fridge covered for a week or so. It is one of my absolute favorites to have on hand. All right, Romesco sauce. Now let's just wait on the cauliflower and we'll be ready to plate. It's been about 35 minutes and the cauliflower is looking great. So to plate, I'm gonna make a nice little dollop of the Romesco sauce. It's probably more than a dollop, but I'm really into this sauce. And you guys are going to be too. And then we'll go with this guy. Ooh, beautiful. So I always like to scatter something a little fresh and green on top. I have some pea shoots for a nice hit of crunch and freshness, and a little bit of fresh parsley leaves. Let's hit it with a little bit of olive oil just to call it a day. Yum, yum. Dinner is served. Let's give this a try. This dish couldn't be simpler, and it's such a fun new way to serve up cauliflower. Your family's gonna love it. Want more healthy recipes like this? Don't forget to like and subscribe.